Been waiting for this moment, been running miles and miles, keep going till I get it, even if it takes a while. Been praying for an answer, been searching for a sign. Every step it takes closer to claiming what is mine. If you're falling down, the only way is up. Rise above and brush it off your shoulders, and I'll take that crown. Haven't given up. Mind over matter now, I've nothing to lose.
Cebu takes pride not only in its beautiful travel destinations but also for its beautiful and virtuous ladies. Both of these are showcased in one of the biggest and grandest beauty pageants in the country, the Binibining Cebu. Established only last year, Binibining Cebu seeks not only a pretty face but a well-rounded woman who is to become a beacon of what Cebu is and will be in the years to come. In Binibining Cebu 2017, 54 ladies vied for the crown, wearing the vibrant creations of world-renowned fashion designer Carrie Santiago across the stage designed by world-famous furniture designer Kenneth Cobonque.
You know, Binibining Cebu 2017 has fulfilled a lot of dreams.
Binibining Cebu gave us the opportunities to work for our advocacy.
Yeah, it's just completely changed me as a person. I feel more mature. I feel more grateful for everything that I'm doing thus far with the gentlemen and these lovely women that I'm serving with.
Binibining Cebu has allowed me to flip my perspective of a pageant, because now I already think that it's more about social responsibility. It's more about affecting a change in my community, about doing what I love to help make the world a better place.
Other than showcasing their beauty, the ladies also showcase their respective municipalities and participate in various outreach activities.
So we're not only developing the girls, but also all the this will be a celebration of Cebuano creativity.
We've been able to participate in some relief operations organized by the foundation.
Binibining Cebu Tourism, with a batch of 85 boys, is collaborating on several projects. One of the main focuses is a vlogging for Cebu, mainly. We want to work on promoting the tourist attractions in Cebu. We may be small, but we have several hidden treasures here, just like Astorias.
It's not so much about me so much as it is about the things that I stand for, the things that I believe in, the causes that I want to bring attention to. You know, we're really just instrumental to a larger cause.
After the well-received pageant last year, the Binibining Cebu 2018 aims to be even grander and open to more contestants, with its presentation of candidates this coming August 24.
After the grand event last year, we got very positive feedback from the different municipalities and cities. And the feedback from them is that they are more willing to support now. Since last year, they were a little hesitant. So that's something that we're really looking forward to.
To think that only a native-born Cebuano can promote Cebu is wrong. In fact, there are so many people from abroad who have chosen to live here. And I can say they love Cebu more because they can choose to live anywhere, but they chose Cebu.
Because the main aim here is actually to promote tourism and for the ladies to do charity works. So it doesn't matter whether you are of color, maybe yellow, red, or gold. It's really the heart that matters here.
There's so much more to Binibining Cebu than meets the eyes, just as there's so much more to Cebu than just being a city.
The pageant last year was grand and it was already good. This year, I'm sure it will get even better.
Have nothing to lose.
Interested beauty pageant applicants may visit the Binibining Cebu office at the Greenery, Mabolo, Cebu City, or visit their website, www.binibiningsebu.com. For MyTV, this is Raya de Guzman.